Hello everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Convivial. If today is the first time you come across this channel, try subscribe, like and share. Ciao a tutti, mi chiamo Convivial, questo è il mio canale, seguitemi, commentate e condividete, mi raccomando. Okay guys, and I beg, if you don't subscribe, try press the notification bell so that anytime when I upload video, you're gonna get notified, okay? Okay guys, what do we want to do today? How many of them be saying if you want to go book a checkup like exam, normal exam now, what person they do normal checkup, you go need to go that place where they call Coop, where you forgot the book appointment, where be say the line not they ever finish, you know they ever reach your turn. Okay guys, I got good news for you now. You don't need to go there again, okay? You fit do them for your house, for the comfort of your house, with your phone or with your computer. Okay, let's get right into the video. Mona see as no take book appointment, then una go when the time don't come. Okay, we'll go see as we fitted one. Okay guys, first of all, what you need to do, una go Google, then una go write Coop online. All these things when they show now to like buy time, in the sense that if you go all these Coop sometimes the line and sorry, I say Coop online. Why I write to scanner now? Because in to scanner now they stay. If not another place now they stay, you go write the name, okay? Then you can go press the first one. Una see this thing now like this the doctor prescription way supposed write give una wanna go take book now like this is supposed to be where they ask for number now these numbers now they ask for like here all these numbers so they did this down here now una need to write everything. Una go see what they talk about now, okay? Una go press this one, then they say attenzione, non si possono prenotare le prestazioni di laboratorio analisi. For instance, if na this thing like all those exams what they do for lab, they know, you know, if you do one here, they can continue again say non si possono prenotare prestazioni con priorità prescrizione U, which is all those emergency something, you know, if you book on here. Not only normal thing, maybe you want to do test now, normal test, you feel book by yourself or house. Other than that, you if now like something where they urgent, you know, if you do one by yourself, you need to go Coop, you need to work out, go there. Now, first of all, what you want to do here, you go write your codice fiscale, okay? Then you go write that number when I show you now earlier. Now go write it here. Then now can go down here. They give me two options. The first one like they take into consideration many places within Toscana here. This second one, this like this here, it they limited like now few places now it gets. So I go press the one where get more options, okay? Then I go press Avanti. If to say now maybe now this side the person they interested, you go press Avanti here, but now this side I want make this side get many options, okay? I'll press them. Then they go show me the description of waiting be the visitor day, but now visitor gynecologica, which is gynecological visit, okay? Then I go down like this. I go press Avanti, which is to go forward. You see this slow. I give us more time. Perfetto. Then they'll come give me option like where space there, okay? Then now you will come the very important thing. Now 15 minutes now they give you to do this thing by yourself. After 15 minutes, you know, you will need to start from the beginning again. So it's important say make person do sharply. Okay, then they show me this one now, but I know they're only interested in this one. One may they give me many other options. So what I go do, I'll come press altre disponibilità. Okay, as I don't press altre disponibilità, so they go show me more options. You know, no see, they go show me more options there. So according to your needs, according to how urgent what the thing did for you, then you press the one where be say you like pass. Maybe because of the time, see I'm now. They say causa, visita ginecologica. Then they can say quando. Causa means waiting be this example you the book. Now they can write visita ginecologica. When I first tell them, I say now gynecological visit. Then they can write quando, which is the time and date. So you go into the look all here. You go look causa, which is the test where you book. Then you go look quando, which is the time where you wanted to do and the date. Okay. Now just to go through the whole thing, know the time where they're convenient for you, the place. This other side now place is none of the right here. This other side now the place, none of the right there. The places where space there. Meanwhile, this left-hand side, now the time and the day where you will fit do the appointment. So, according to you now, according to your own need now, so you go press 1. Okay, you press 1 where you like pass inside. Make I press this first one now. Okay, if now this one you dey interested in, you can press seleziona, which means to select. You want to select that one. Then, as you don't select that one finish, they can talk say. Appuntamento selezionato. Premere avanti per proseguire. What in simply means say you don't select your appointment, but may you press forward for you to continue. So may we look for the forward where they say may we press. Which day down here? Now down here. Avanti. So they go say may you like look your this thing where all the this thing where you write put, okay, all the data where they put, whether everything correct, your email, phone number, may you go check everything so that in case anything happen, you'll feel call cancel, okay. Then, for instance, now, as I don't reach this place now, if you don't see the time don't remain 12 minutes. It means now only 3 minutes now I don't use. Okay. If, for instance, say, you get intention to really book them, for me now I don't get intention to book them, you just press this confirm. It means you they confirm the thing, say you really need them. If you press this one, that means say you don't book appointment for house be that one. Instead, when you go the waka up and down, say maybe you go coop, go stay there, go stay line, the line go big where you understand. So once in a while, the ones where person fit do for the comfort of the house, you go still try do them. So guys, let me know what you think about this video. If you they like topics like this, let me know. So I go to bring up more informations like this, okay? And for those who never subscribe, I bet try subscribe and press that notification bell so that anytime when I upload video, they go alert and I say this girl don't drop another video. And when I remember I say I did do live video for Facebook every Saturday by 4 p.m. Okay, guys, stay blessed until the next one. Bye bye for now. Ciao, ciao.